So hello guys, you're welcome in my channel Anch X Sensei. So I'm gonna play the game Stumble guys today, and I'm gonna tell you the 5 ways I know how to do clutch in the block dash. The first I know is the side clutch, and second is the middle clutch, and the third is the face through from the blocks, and the fourth I know is that one, the middle clutch, but we just walk towards the blocks, and we jump at the last moment. We didn't go back, and we jump and hold, and just when the block goes down, we will just dive. And the other one, I don't know its name, but we just goes between the blocks and the laser, between a little gap, we just go from that. We gonna do this challenge in the Abra's choice event. In this event, it's only one round, that's block dash endless. With the extra emotes is the glider max and the rewind max. So let's get started with the video. So the game is going to start, and the first clutch I'm gonna do is the easiest by far I know. That's the side clutch. Please don't lag, game. Please don't die. He's gonna push me probably. Why afraid from these people? We have to just go at this point and jump out and jump in. I almost lost it. We go at the last block and go outside of the platform, and we just jump, and we have to look from the lasers that we don't go into the lasers. Please, SSR, I know he's a big YouTuber of Stumble guys, shout out to him. I know I have less subscriber than him, still shout out. And I can do the side walking in this, but I'm gonna do like hardest to easiest to hardest. Next is the middle clutch, like this. Will I do it? No, skip it. It's the like standing in the middle and waiting for the block to came at the end, like this. Why this is coming again and again? Come at this point and we jump just like this. This is the next clutch I was gonna tell, but I didn't tell. I don't think so. Side clutch, I did it again the side clutch. Now in this I'm gonna again do the side clutch. It's probably again the side clutch. No, I'm gonna go with middle clutch. I did it, yay. I'm gonna skip this one, and now I'm gonna do this one, that walking oh, I did it, the middle clutch, and I don't think so. Sorry bro. Oh, he came back. He's the OG OP. What's his name? ZGP. I don't know what's it. I think it's the club of his club. Bro, why are you laughing at me? Bro? I'm sorry, I didn't did the clutch. Let's do the clutch here. Haha, just joke. Why I'm not doing the clutch? I'm just playing normally. Oh shit. Ah, I did it. Hey, I did it again. I did it. I don't want to risk. Let's go with the side clutch. And two clutches that are left are the phase through blocks and the going through the going between the blocks and the laser. That clutch. And we will meet if when the game starts. The game started, and I will do the clutch. Wait, lag. Thank God I didn't go for a clutch. Why I am not able to do the phase through from blocks? I think it's because of the crowd. I'm dead. Go. I literally forgot about the rewind. Why that bot blocked me? This cat is a lot pro than me, I think so. From these 7, I must have done like 6 phase throughs. If I was, I will be playing with my friend. Bro, why? We will go for that clutch. So guys, let's do the other 2 left clutches. The clutch that we go from between the laser and the block, that small path, and the other one phase through from blocks. And I will do the other ones. I will try. I think I will do in it another video. I think so. I will think for it first. Let's do the other 2 clutches. Those are left. Wait. Bro, Coco, why are you coming between me? This, I did it. The phase through from blocks. Let me see, can I do it again? I did it. We just have to jump and we have to dive with the movement. We almost gonna hit the wall with the we have to hit in the head in the center of the block. It works not 100%, but it works sometimes. So let's go for the. Why the lag? So guys, I have done the 4 clutches, and the last clutch is going from between those. I will do the clutch at that point when the two block comes. Bro, what's that formation? In which 3 platform comes and we have to jump on the 2 blocks that has the thickness of 2 layers. I think you got it. You guys are smarter than me, so you got it. You guys got it. I did the phase through again. I almost sold. I have done the phase through again. Let's do the sorry the lag. I will now do the side clutch. Let's go. Side clutch done again, and we will go for the middle clutch like this, my boy. The phase through. Nah. Let's go with the emote. Yeah. Easy. Leave it. Let's go with the side clutch again. I got scared. This is what I am talking about. I did it. Bro, I was about to go for the side clutch. If that clutch again come, I will do it. I got a little bit scared, so I used the emote. Yeah, again the side clutch. Let's go for one more. Let's go for one more. Let's go. Let's go for... Nah. Bro, why? Why the gummy bear? Bro, why? Why are you gummy bear? So guys, I have done all the 5 types I can do in the block dash. So I will repeat all of them and just go for the max clutches I can go, because that's endless. I know few people will target me, like that gummy bear targeted me, and that I think I forgot name again. RNG, I think so. Yeah, that's the name. And that guy who's laughing at me in the game that I won. Let's try to win one more game so we can get the rewards from the points we collect. Oh, little bit of lag. Phase through is hard. I think so. They are... Why you targeted me? Why, bro? Why? Let's go for the middle clutch. I did it. I just got a little scared, so I used the emote. And get away the bot. Noob bot. Noob. Bro, why you targeting me? Go target someone else. Let's go. Again the middle clutch. And I will be killing him now. Jao. Nice, bro. Nice. Don't try to kill me. No, sir. SSR. Side clutch. And... noob. And let's go for this clutch. I probably have not gone for that clutch. And what was that name? Brain.yt W. So guys, this is all for this video, and I hope you like this video. You guys must like and subscribe, and bye bye.